That's it. You're not hungry?
I want to eat later somewhere else. I want
Okay.
to have a drink first.
Okay.
And I feel a little bit dizzy, that's why I want
Yeah.
to sit down.
Okay. So Mama will see tomorrow. He's going out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. So nandito kami ngayon sa Leeuwarden. And for the meantime, and minihintay lang kami na importante. So dito muna kami at magko-coffee. This is the one we have talked, and then
Oh, that is
okay.
green tea jasmine.
But little bit. I think
No,
this is
you
very
can do full. That is jasmine.
yeah. And this
That's why I have this.
Yeah.
But I don't have the glass.
yeah.
Then you can buy fresh tea and then you can do this.
Yeah.
We still have this, toch?
Yeah, we have two. You buy two.
But we don't have the glass.
We don't have the glass.
We need the
Yeah.
glass like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you finish, you can put here.
Yeah. And this one.
This one, you finish,
Then you can
here.
put here. Very strong. Yeah. That's good.
Nicer.
Nice. Cheers. Yeah, it's nice.
Instead
Especially.
of Centrum Den Haag is
Yeah.
like big street.
Yeah.
This is with like
And this one
the small
is
canals.
the canal. Yeah.
In the old days, this was sewage.
Yeah. Look.
Look, it was sewage. So you see all the pipes sticking out.
Yeah.
Every house, when you pee and poo, it came in the water.
Really? Oh. And you can also like the boat.
Now, yeah. Now the water is a little bit more
But
clean, of
if
course.
it's really like sunny, nice.
Here.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. And they don't have this.
Like jewelry.
Yeah, they don't have in Den Haag.
No?
No. And how much for that? Oh, it's still good. This is
It's
nice.
handmade, huh?
Yeah, this is
They're made
nice.
by hand.
The 31. Oh my God, 105.
What? Which one?
Yeah, 105.
For what? The
This
pearl.
one. Yeah, look,
Yeah,
105.
but those are real pearls.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, very nice one.
Maybe
And I have
something-
this one. I have this. The same price.
You're not going to get anything. I will give you already money. So.
No,
bye-bye.
no, honey. I don't need. You have already give me the 100, oh? 100 shoes. Oh, you want this?
Take a lot
I
of
treat
shop.
you.
We will see later, yeah.
Later, okay. Oh, that's nice.
You have.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah.
This nice to old building.
Yeah, yeah. And this one, B.
Also bagels, eh? And,
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Different style, eh?
yeah. This. That's nice. Yeah, H&M. Very nice. Yeah, this is Sena.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But the top is
Yeah.
apartment.
Apartment.
Yeah.
Sena. And the Beneda is
Say no.
Sena shopping. Yeah, yeah. That's
But
nice.
The upper floors are, I think, apartments. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
the building is old.
yeah. Very nice. White.
White is beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Oh,
Yeah.
very nice. Huh? Look at that. Oh, this is nice. You can touch it.
Yeah.
This is nice. Oh. How much this? This is nice. Oh. This real stone.
Yeah.
There's only one left.
It's 12.50 or something like that.
How
You have
much?
to ask.
This
So-
is-
I don't know. You have to ask.
this
because
is
here you
nice.
see is 5.95. and all
Look,
this.
very nice. Huh?
Okay, but then ask. Yeah.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Look. Oh. This also nice. This also. Look. Ay, €5, honey. €5. Look. Yeah. Beautiful.
You want?
Mm-hmm.
You pay.
You want? You pay. €5. Yeah. 5.99.
3 for 10.
Oh, 3 for I buy. I buy 3. One. This one. And then this one.
I want the cornaline. Because
This
it's
is
cheaper.
orange. Yeah, look at that. After namin maglakad and maglalans muna kami, napakaganda pala dito sa Leeuwarden, no? Kasi dito po ay maliit na town lang siya, and yung mga restaurant, ang gaganda ng mga restaurant nila. Napansin namin na wala po ang fast food like McDonald's, KFC, mostly mga restaurant, and daming mga estudyante. Kasi dito po sa Leeuwarden, it's mostly capital talaga dito, and ang kanyang province is Friesland. So malapit na po sa Germany. So from here, Leeuwarden to Den Haag, it's around kulang 2 hours ang biyahe. So yun, nag-chill-chill lang kami, and dito at sa very lang siya, very makulimlim, and mamaya-maya naman as later is mainit. So umambon kaninang umaga. So nag-enjoy. First time ko actually na pumunta dito. Maganda dito.
Thank you.
Hoe ze hun gemaakt eigenlijk. Nou, dit gebouw. Hier is een mooi gebouw van Hunkemuller. Dat is het gebouw hier in
Don't laugh.
Oh, God.
Why you laugh?
This is cringe.
And Katya, 2.3K for the Asla.
Okay.
Katja, they hear you laugh, huh?
Yeah, but it was so funny.
They're really funny. And cheers. Congratulations.
En weet je, dat gaat het zo leuk vind ik hem dan wel.
Nothing.
Af en toe gewoon even de dag weg. Wat is dan jouw dag?
Yeah,
Even lekker naar Groningen.
not even on. Zo jongen.
Ja.
Kain tayo. So, ito lang po yung simpleng lunch namin. Natawa lang si Mister kasi yung boat po, dito sa behind, dito sa inupuan ko, may mga boat yan. Then, mostly nirent nila yan. And meron silang nag-guide. Tapos yun nga medyo na ano lang natawa lang si Mister kasi in-explain yung mama na ito yung city, ganito siya, ganon. 'Di ba? Kasi mga mostly mga tao din dito ay turista, mga tourist. So, ni-explain niya na ito yung restaurant, yan yung ganyan. So, natawa lang talaga yung Mister. Kasi one time nag-ano din kami nag-boat, ganun din. Tawang-tawa kami ni Mister. Kasi mostly yung sinasabi yung mama, alam na namin. Alam na namin. Pero yun nga, ang sarap ng pagkain, mga loves ko, very healthy. And tingnan nyo naman, napaka-busy. Sabi ko sa mister ko, balik tayo dito one day kasi ito po is maliit lang po yung place. And maraming restaurant, ang dadami pong mga stores na iba sa Den Haag. So yun. Nice, huh? Yeah, and you can drink, talk.
Yeah, you can bring drinks.
Yeah, you can drink and talk.
The next day.
Ito na po yung the next day and punta kami ng nursing home kasi ito po is May 3 ay birthday ko po. So maglalans lang kami sa aking biyanan at linisin ko na din yung kwarto niya. So let's go!
Only the second grown-up car I have. The Volvo was the first one. It was like
Like
that was a car.
Yeah,
This is also like car.
like good.
Like you have space. You have like car.
The Volvo and this one.
Yeah, the Opel Astra was it was a
Opel,
car,
yeah.
but it was like more compact.
Yeah. Kaya kami pumunta ng Friesland kahapon kasi bumili po kami ng second hand na car. Itong car na to mga loves ko is brand new pa. And 3 years lang siya ginamit. So yung old car namin po is 12 years na, nasira na po. So ito po pinikap namin kahapon and grabe yung mister ko, napakasaya niya, walang katumbas ang saya niya mga loves ko kasi ang tagal niya itong pinag-ipunan. Finally, thank you Lord. So nandito na kami sa nursing home and ito nga may binigay sa akin ng aking biyanan na envelope. So buksan natin. Every time mga loves ko, birthday ko po ay nagbibigay siya ng ganito. And dahil nga uwi ako ng Pilipinas, sabi niya magagamit mo to sa hotel. Kung mainitan ka doon, gagamitin mo to sa hotel para mag-enjoy ka at hindi ka mapapagod, o diba? So, very supportive niya. Deserve ko naman mga loves ko kasi every Sunday nandito ako para linisin yung kanyang kwarto. So, thank you Lord sa aking mother-in-law na napakabait. Ito na po yung last part. Morning! Kamusta kayo? Welcome back. Nakalimutan ko nang mag-edit mga loves ko ng videos ko dahil super busy ko talaga sa work. And yun, and then ang daming mga trabaho, ang daming mga ginagawa. So, na-check ko yung aking last post is 7 days ago. So, tuloy idugtong ko tong video na to sa aking vlog nung pumunta kami saan ba kami pumunta ni Mister? Sa Friesland pala. Nung pumunta kami sa Friesland, gumala kami doon, punta kami ng Leeuwarden. And sabi ko, oh my God, di ko pa na-edit yung video. So, today is Friday. May 8. May 8 na ngayon mga loves ko, no? Ang bilis ng panahon. Grabe. So, mag-work tayo today. Half day kahapon po. 12 hours po ako nagtrabaho kahapon. Late na po ako umuwi. Nag-start ako ng 9. Natapos ako ng 9 din. 9 a.m. Then, half day lang ako today. Tapos, yeah, yun po yung buhay-buhay dito sa abroad. Trabaho talaga. Trabaho, laging trabaho. Diyan na yung tram ko. And yun, and then samahan nyo po ako today. After work, punta ako ng city. Magpapalinis po ako ng aking nail, mga loves ko. Deserve ko naman kasi yung nails ko, ang dumi, ang nunang pangit-pangit na. Andiyan na po yung tram. Let's go!